Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle 10 by 10. In today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, March the 18th, 2023. And in this puzzle page, we have already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, yeah. 6134 and a killer Sudoku. Well, I've noticed I've forgotten the numbering. This one will be number 6135. Alright. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic and the binary. Let me start with the binary. Here we have two binaries. Both 3 stars. Both with 28 printed digits. So let me start with this one. This one will be, of course, 6136. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 print binary puzzle. Yeah, 10 boxes by 10 boxes. Okay, and that means that in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me zoom this out. Yeah. Alright. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here should be a 1. Of course, we have a double O here. So here 1, there 1. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Alright. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5, the 5th one. Okay. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Well, and no, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so this should be number 5. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. Wait, the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, Hano, Dano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh. So the rest are ones. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double O, hand one, dan one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh. So the rest are ones. Double one, Hano, Dano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh. So the rest are ones. Well, finished without comparing. 5 minutes. 5 to 8. Well, without comparing. So I'm very pleased with the time. But yeah, with 28, should this be a 3 stars? Well, I think it's a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page. Later on, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah. Until then, bye bye for now.